All right, today we're going to bring an Apple Pencil. If you guys can see, there is a power button here. There is a Type C connection that you have to make sure you're aware of that. It gives you that extra protection. Now, this one is magnetic too. It'll stick to the actual iPad itself. Now, to turn it on, there's no on button. It automatically identifies in the Bluetooth system as an iPad pen. Now, you do have charging, and it's going to give you three lights. It gives you one, two, and three, and it depends on the charging. Now, once you charge it up, it's going to last for months. Now, the rubber end here is also replaceable. They do give you extra pens, and also I seen it that they sell different styles that you could buy for if you're an artist. They have different tips. Of course, for this, but this one comes with extra two more included with it, so you don't have to worry about that. All you got to do is worry about charging once every couple weeks, and it's gonna last you forever. So very simple. Hope you guys enjoy the video.